Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, one of the most essential kitchen appliances for healthy, fast, and crispy cooking. We've rounded up the top 6 best air fryers on AliExpress in 2025, all packed with features like digital displays, large capacities, touchscreen controls, and oil-free cooking, and they're all super affordable. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in and find your next kitchen upgrade. Number 1. 5-quart digital display air fryer toaster oven combo. First up is this 5-quart digital display air fryer, and it's more than just an air fryer. It's a toaster oven combo with 8 preset functions. You get a visible cooking window, a dishwasher-safe basket, and plenty of space for everything from chicken wings to baked goods. Top features: 5-quart capacity, digital screen with 8 presets, visible window, easy clean non-stick basket, air fryer plus toaster oven combo. Pros: great value for the features. View your food as it cooks, perfect for small to medium families. If you're looking for versatility and a visible window to check on your food, this one's a top contender. Number 2. Sejoy 1.5L Smart Air Fryer without oil. Next is the ultra-compact Sejoy 1.5L Smart Air Fryer. It's ideal for singles, dorm rooms, or anyone with limited space but still wants crispy results without using oil. Top features: 1.5L capacity, smart touchscreen controls, 8 preset menus, 1500 W of heating power. Pros: small footprint, modern, easy-to-use interface. Great for 1 to 2 people. Compact, quiet, and efficient. This is the minimalist air fryer that delivers crispiness in a small package. Number 3. CROWNFUL 7L Touchscreen Air Fryer Oven. If you've got a hungry household, the CROWNFUL 7L Air Fryer is your go-to. With its large basket, non-stick coating, and 8 cooking programs, it's built for family-sized portions and effortless cleaning. Top features: massive 7L capacity, non-stick dishwasher-safe basket, touchscreen panel, 8 preset programs. Pros: family-friendly size, excellent temperature control, easy to clean, crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even baked veggies. The 7L beast handles it all. Number 4. Digital display 5-quart air fryer combo. Looking for a digital air fryer with an easy view window? This 5-quart air fryer combo offers just that. With 8 cooking presets, it's built for efficiency, and that transparent window helps avoid overcooking. Top features: 5-quart capacity, combo oven air fryer, viewing window, 8 preset options, sleek digital interface. Pros: easy to use, crisp results every time, looks great on the counter. Stylish, smart, and great for daily use. This one's a balance of performance and design. Number 5. 6L Smart Electric Air Fryer with LED touchscreen. Coming in at number 5 is a sleek and modern 6L Smart Air Fryer with 360 degrees air circulation and a full LED touchscreen. It's powerful, evenly cooks your meals, and fits nicely in any modern kitchen. Top features: 6L capacity, LED touchscreen, 360 degrees hot air baking, no oil needed, modern design. Pros: excellent for 2 to 4 people, great temperature consistency, compact for its size. This fryer is for those who want modern functionality, excellent airflow, and easy to navigate cooking. Number 6. Factory Supplier 2800W Digital Air Fryer, 4 6L options. Finally, we have this Factory Direct 2800W digital air fryer, which comes in multiple sizes from 4L to 6L, making it flexible for various needs. With 8 cooking functions and industrial-grade power, this one means business. Top features: 2800W power, available in 4L, 5L, or 6L. Digital control interface, 8 preset functions. Pros: very fast heating, high durability, choice of sizes. If you want raw power and size flexibility, this 2800W air fryer is ready for the job. And there you have it, the top 6 air fryers you can buy on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're feeding a crowd or looking for something compact for yourself, there's something on this list that's just right for your kitchen. All links are in the description. Check them out before they sell out. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which air fryer would you pick? We've got more smart kitchen tech coming your way. Stay tuned.